At Liquid Telecom, we are thrilled to be able to offer affordable IoT communication services using this 0G network that we have deployed across the country. The network also allows the use of affordable, low-power IoT devices. These IoT devices are portable, they're not connected to the grid, and they have a very long shelf life because they require very little power to operate. And this allows these IoT devices and solutions to be affordable, mobile, and very versatile.
The reason why we chose Liquid Telecom is they are pioneering this whole space around IoT devices, which then leads us to precision agriculture. One thing that we have seen is, depending on the capability that you put in a farm, then that also has a high correlation with the type of yield that you get from that particular farm. My name is Peter Njonjo. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Twiga Foods, which we started 6 years ago, and we're in the food aggregation space in Kenya so far. We use technology to aggregate the informal retail in Kenya and then use that to build an efficient supply chain. So Takuwa farm is a farm that Twiga started working with a couple of years ago, and with the farm, there was various challenges in the beginning. There was challenges around yield, there was challenges around productivity, and we then made a decision as Twiga to then look at what is it that we can then do to more or less make this farm world class.
Takuwa farm is a 50-acre farm, but currently the area under irrigation is 30 acres. Early this year, we started incorporating the IoT devices at the farm. This is a partnership between Twiga Foods and Liquid Telecom.
At Takuwa Farm, we've rolled out a resource management and a process optimization system. Our solution offering is focused on providing connectivity to applications that do not conventionally have any sort of connectivity.
We have a battery-powered soil probe that has 6 different sensors. These soil probes, they are able to tell farmers the moisture level in a particular soil and also the drainage in a particular plot. In fact, the farmers know the exact amount of water their crops are using. We've installed a complete digital weather station. This weather station can give you the amount of rainfall in this particular area, which is precise to Takuwa farm. It can give you the speed of wind, the ambient temperature, and also the relative humidity in this particular area. We also have EC and pH sensor. The sensor helps us to know if you're applying the right amount of fertilizer in the particular farms. So that way you're going to optimize the fertilizer you're having.
Here on this farm, we grow tomatoes, onions, and basically watermelons. The devices has really assisted us. From our last season, production was quite low due to haphazard frequencies of irrigation. But after the installation of the soil probes, it has really assisted us in terms of productivity. We have optimized our production. We are now doubling our production per unit area. That's per every acre of product we grow at the farm.
We've seen a huge impact after the installation of these IoT devices in terms of our production and, of course, our labor cost. Last year, we had 12 acres under tomatoes, and we only managed 11 tons. This year, we had 3 acres, and we managed almost 23 tons. And also, last year, we had 3 irrigation supervisors who are going around the farm. But currently, as we speak, I have only 1. So the impact has been huge, and we're happy for that. And probably in the next few weeks, we'll be doing our onion harvesting. I think also from what I'm seeing, we're going to get a bumper harvest, and we're really grateful for that.
This is a pilot. What we then need to do now is create an ecosystem where this then becomes commonplace. And then precision agriculture then just becomes the way farming is done in the country.
The future of agriculture in Kenya is going to be digital. Digital solutions will not only drive agricultural productivity, but can also help optimize agricultural supply chains, whether that's in asset monitoring, cold chain monitoring. So we see technology as really driving efficiency and competitiveness for the country's agriculture sector.
At Liquid Telecom, we work hard to stay ahead of the curve. We ensure that we invest in the right technologies in anticipation of our customer needs. Our IoT network provides endless possibilities to transform business operations beyond just farming. The success of the partnership is just one example of the commitment we have towards helping our customers thrive in the digital age.